Now we will continue the solution of this question. So integral 0 to pi x sine xy dy. We solved it and we got the value as 1 minus cos of x pi. So now we will put it in this integral. Integral 0 to 1. The value of this integral is 1 minus cos x pi, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. Okay, so let's solve this integral. Okay, so now we have to integrate it with respect to x. Now it's only x term, so let's see. Now this is equal 1. 1 is a constant, there is no x, so it will be 1 time x, that is x, minus cosine. So here we are going to use the rule for integration as cosine ax plus b. When we are integrating it with the x, the rule says that integration of cos is sine, the angle remains same, divided by the coefficient of x, which is a. So we have to work according to, when we use this rule here, what the integration of cos will become? Integration of cosine will become sine as per the rule, sine x pi. Now we are integrating with respect to x, so what is the coefficient of x? It's pi. It doesn't matter it is before x or after x. So we are looking just for the coefficient of x. So it is pi. Now the limits for x is from 0 to 1. So now what we are going to do? Wherever we see x, means over here and here, at these two places, first we replace x by 1 and then by 0, like we did in our previous examples. So this is equal to, when we replace x by 1, it is 1 minus sine of 1 pi, which is pi over pi, minus, better to put a bracket, x is 0 minus sine of 0 pi means 0 over pi. Okay, so it's always better to put the bracket to avoid any confusion, to avoid any mistakes. So these are the limits at x is equal to 1. And these are the limits at x is equal to 0. Now just simplify it. This is equal to 1. Now sine of pi, if you use calculator on radians mode, it will give you the value as 0. Sine of 0 is also 0. 0 divided by pi is 0. 0 divided by pi, 0. So we left with the final answer as 1. So we can say that the value of our integral, what was our question? The value of our integral, double integral, we can say that double integral x sine xy dy dx, where limits for y were 0 to pi, for x 0 to 1 is 1. This is the final answer. I hope it's clear.